So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see if you don't see the options to create a or reserve a username on the WhatsApp, so you just follow this video. First thing is guys, update your application, ensure you have the newest version and download this from the App Store and the Play Store, because this is the new feature that arrived and currently it is not completely alive. It is just on the testing phase. So first thing is, if you get the earlier access, so you first update your app and then you create your username. Okay, another thing is guys, you make sure that you are in the country and the region where this feature is arrived or not, because some of the countries and the region are now restricted because of some security reasons, but after some time in the few months you will get this option. Okay, then why this option might be missing? Maybe phase rollout. WhatsApp is gradually roll out the user features to 3 plus billion users. If it is completely missing, so it may have not reached your app yet. Okay, and another thing is guys, maybe a if maybe this is the backend issue, maybe this is just gradually uh, updating, so you just wait, and this is the only way that you can find this option. Okay, and maybe you are already set. In some reason WhatsApp is initially match your existing Instagram or the Facebook handle if your account are linked. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice